Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to extract audio in CapCut PC. So, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your PC. As you can see, I have already opened it on my screen. Let's start by creating a new project. Once the CapCut video editor opens up, we need a video with audio and background. Head to the Media tab and click on Import. Select the file and click Open to import it into CapCut. Once the video is imported, drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Before we extract the audio, let's take a quick look at the video.
Our police put their lives in danger to...
Let's zoom in for a better visual on the track. To extract the audio, select the video on the track, right-click on it, and from the menu, select Extract Audio. And there you have it. You can now see both files on two different tracks. If you want to use this audio for a different video, select the original video on the track and remove it. Now let's import a new video to use. In the Media tab, click on Import to open the PC Media Library. Select the videos you want to use and click Open. Drag all the imported videos onto the track as needed. Let's adjust the footage positions on the track. If your new videos have audio, extract from these footage by following the same steps. Select audio file after extraction and then remove. Once you're done, preview your project to make sure everything looks good.
Our police put their lives in danger to make our streets safe. This is what happened in this video.
And that's it. This is how you can extract audio in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.